Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create materials in Unity. Longhand method. First right-click the project window. Create. Materials. Rename the material for suitable word. Drag and drop texture or picture to the project window from your computer. You can use any type of texture or picture as a material. Now select the material. Then in the albedo property, drag and drop the texture or picture you imported. You can change other material properties, such as the shader, metallic, and smoothness. To apply materials, you need to drag and drop to material file to your game object. If you do that correct, you can change material settings and it will update in scene window. Shorthand method. You can drag and drop texture or picture to game object from project window directly. Now it's created material folder automatically, and it has material file with picture name. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.